Hello everyone, I wanted to give everyone a channel update, an idea of what's heading into the future with Keep Productive. Am I going to be hosting anymore? Are we going to be covering tools? These are very broad questions, but I hope that we can answer them today. It is a little bit of an overview of what's coming. So, for those who don't know, my name is Francesco. I actually started Keep Productive about 10 years ago now. We started filming them. So this is our 10th anniversary of doing YouTube videos, which is absolutely crazy. And since then, we've added more to our team. We have Steve, who does our lovely edits. I'm sure he's editing this right now. We have Charlotte, who's recently joined, who is diving into mindful productivity tools and also helping us build our toolfinder site. It's so weird that we've expanded now into a small team and we are growing, and it's truly amazing that you as a community has helped support that. We have over 300,000 subscribers now, and it is great to have that community and support. But one of the things that has been quite difficult over the last couple of years is really positioning Keep Productive into being a helpful resource, but also something that aligns to our long-term goals. And I don't think we've been doing that as well as I initially thought. And I think that is something that we're really making some moves on and really trying to develop that out further. So I want to talk through sort of three main changes that will be coming to the channel. The first is Toolfinder. The second is a second channel. And the third is more hosts. So for those who don't know, back in start of 2023, we put together a site. It was a no-code site built with Notion, Super, and Tally. And essentially what we did there is start putting together tool reviews. And it was an absolute hit. It was launched on Product Hunt, top of the day, top of the week, and it still has a great reach. Like, people love being able to have that knowledge and insight of all of these tools. To be honest, it was a MVP. That basically means the most basic version of what we wanted to launch. And now in the background, we are launching or building, with the help of a very, very smart developer, Carl, something called Toolfinder version 2. And it really connects to our long-term vision of actually helping people to find the perfect tool, but in a much more smarter sense. It's not just me plugging away at a no-code tool, it's Carl building where we see the future of productivity tool discovery to be. And that is so exciting, but so nerve-wracking, because we've always done this in video format, and we've done drips and drabs through reviews, but actually going out and building our SaaS platform for helping people to find productivity tools is a really big mission. So we're very excited to be actually doing this, and I feel like it's a great step forward. We've had that initial okay, are people interested? Yes, people are interested, and we can start building it out. But we're gonna do it in a very, hopefully a way that I think you'll like. A smart way, an efficient way, but also a very human way that I think a lot of the folks out there will very much enjoy when it comes to productivity and finding that perfect app. So I'm really, really excited for that element of it. Toolfinder version 2 should be out fairly soon. I'll link everything in below if it's out already. And obviously, it's such a big next chapter that I'm very excited for us all to be working on. So Toolfinder is going to be a really big part of how we move forward as a company. The second area is the second channel. And recently we launched a new channel called More Productive. And essentially our mission with that is to basically take the weight out of this channel. We post something like 4 videos a week. We have been for almost 10 years or something like that. Maybe not 10 years consistently, but we have over 1,400 videos, which is pretty crazy. And we've really been keeping up pace with this. But to be honest, I think it's a little bit of an overload of information. So we'll have 2 channels. Keep Productive will be focused more on high-level productivity tool decisions, whereas More Productive will be a channel that focuses on reviews, deep dives and tutorials to really go much further with a certain app. So I think that's like an exciting layer because it means we can still deliver the same amount of content and help you out with your decisions, but we can also deliver new forms of content, which is really exciting, and it will help those people trying to make decisions. Now, that really links in with the heart of Toolfinder, because those videos, those guides, those resources are really the heart part of what we do, and it's really connecting it to Toolfinder. So that's going to be really exciting as the journey continues. And the third stage of this new progress is more hosts. And as I said, I've been doing this for 10 years. I absolutely love it still. Like, don't get me wrong, I still like doing reviews, tutorials, guides, everything. It really does. Honestly, we probably have about 40 new apps that get recommended to us every week, and it's hard to be able to catch up with all of this. I hope the more productive element helps us do that, and Toolfinder helps us do that. But more voices is more helpful to a decision that you make. I always think that we have been good in the past at curating the best creators out there who create stuff, but we want to have our own network of hosts here at Keep Productive and More Productive, because what we want is lots of voices to give you a wide range of opinion on certain applications. What I say doesn't go for everyone. I have a set opinion for what I think a productivity tool should be. We should have the opinions of those specialists in different areas. We should bring those voices together so that you can make the best decision for you. So I think that's going to be really exciting. We're going to bring some really interesting people on board with expertise, with specialisms to really do that. And one of those initial experts that have joined us is Charlotte. Charlotte's actually our writer at Keep Productive, and she's also now running and hosting the mindful productivity section. And that's all the sort of habit trackers, journal apps, resources around more work balance approach to productivity. She started creating videos, and they're going really well, and I'm really excited for that. And we just want to expand that and help people to find the best tools, but without just me being the voice, because I think that's so important. It's great to be able to cherry pick advice from people and form your own opinion moving forward. And of course, that will link into Toolfinder as our sort of longer term goal. So I just wanted to share it. It's been 10 years since we've been doing this, so I wanted to give you just an idea of where we're heading for the future. It is so weird doing this channel still after this long, and it's all thanks to everyone who supports the channel and has helped it in the past. So I just want to say a big thank you to not only all of you guys who watch the videos and support the channel, but also those tools that have helped us to elevate them and discover them and build them up, and really to everyone who's connected to that, all the other productivity creators and those fantastic people that we've worked with and collaborated with in the past. So I am very excited for what is next, and I am very interested to hear what you think. So you can find all the links to what I'm mentioning below if we've already got them out, and I really hope that this next 10 years is going to be as fun and interesting as the ones before. So thank you very much. I look forward to diving into productivity tools a little bit more. And FYI, I will be on paternity leave July time for a couple weeks. But so don't think like, oh, Francesco is literally gone. I'm sure I'll have plenty of videos all planned and booked out, but just to give you an idea that I will be away then. But thank you so much for all your support. I look forward to reading the comments and onwards. And I hope everyone has a great week. Keep productive. And I'll see you very, very, very soon. Cheerio.